Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Look at me. I oozing machismo.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. And today it is a great day because we spin the block to pick up one of my grails. I am visibly giddy from having this into my collection. And it is a sneaker that I've wanted for ages. Me and my wife, we just went to Jamaica and I got the notification, said that it was delivered, and I couldn't wait to get home and open up the box. So what we're gonna do here is a very quick spin the block because this sneaker in particular has been reviewed to death, but you know what? It's the first time I'm getting it. I mean, obviously you already know what it is because you read the description and you saw the thumbnail. So I'm not gonna waste too much of your time. So let's get into another edition of Got 'em Tardy.
Whoa! Look who decided to show. Choir!
Too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late, too late. God's on time.
First, we take a look at the box. Standard Jordan 4 box with the speckling. Official colorway is University Blue and Black. Yeah, let's go ahead and pop this lid right quick.
Vincent.
We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
And
Tony.
we have the Jordan 4 Cactus Jack, or Travis Scott 4s, in the Oiler colorway as it's known. You know, first impressions up out of the box. And this has been a sneaker I've wanted to bring home for years. Oh my goodness, but the resale on this was astronomical, and it finally fell to a place where I'm like, okay, it's time to pull the trigger. I was joking with my friend Ron. We were talking sneakers, and I was like, hey, if you ever see me with a pair of these, they probably gonna be reps, because I'm definitely not spending $1,400 for them, right? But check this out, man. Resale has come down on these, and I was able to get a pair. This is a used pair, very lightly worn, as you can see it. I mean, still has, you know, saying has stars on it, no heel drag. So the person took very good care of these, and I got it for a phenomenal price. And I had to get it. I just had to get it.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Yeah, so let's just go ahead and take a look at this. Top down, we have a suede flight patch with some wax laces. Material on this is extra buttery soft. It's such a premium suede quality. Speckling across the waffles and on the back tab where you have the Jordan Flight logo on the right foot, Cactus Jack on the left. Also on the left shoe, as we can still see the eBay sticker on it. Guaranteed, you know what I'm saying? So if they messed up, then whatever, right? It does have this dope hang tag right here. It says Cactus Jack on this side, and you have the Jumpman label. And you know I wear my hang tag, so it's gonna be there, right? Yeah, this is Travis Scott's first sneaker collaboration with Jordan, and it's a nod to Houston, which is why it's done in this Houston Oilers colorway. And in my opinion, it is one of the best Jordan 4s of all time. You can debate that if you'd like, but I mean, you're probably not gonna win. You're gonna be very hard pressed to find a Jordan that's colder than this. And when I drip this off,
those aren't mountains. They're waves.
this is tidal wave action right here. There's no shot. Like when I put this on, it's gonna be an absolute, you know what I'm saying, monsoon going down. I told y'all that I'll just let y'all know as I continue to spin the blocks. And like I know, you know what I'm saying, it may not mean much to everybody out there who's already had them and sold them and probably had them again and sold them again, man. But listen, man, like these are home now. You know what I'm saying? They home beat.
What's up, baby? What's up, baby?
Alright, and I can't wait to rock these motherfuckers. I am going to wear the shit out of these. Please believe that. You know, typically in my sneaker collection, which is, you know, it's fairly decent, man. I wear my sneakers probably once, maybe twice a year. I guarantee you'll see me in these at least once a month, man. These have now become my favorite sneaker. As far as new stuff, there's supposedly supposed to be a shock drop for the Jordan 1 UNC toe. Let's cross our fingers. I'm saying that it actually goes down, and two, that I can actually get that, because I'd love to review that one. That one is actually, you know, the only real, like, got to secure for the summer. So listen, thank y'all for coming through. Thank y'all for watching. And, you know, don't forget to go ahead and become a friend of mine by liking the video. Also leave a comment down in the description. Join the Milestone Mafia by subscribing and hitting that bell notification. That way you'll know when I have new videos coming up. As I continue to move and we continue to grow Milestone Mafia, we headed towards 250, and we doing it in rapid fashion. So I greatly appreciate all of y'all. You stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.
And like that, he's gone.
And whether or not I'm doing it good in hand, I'm just gonna have some fun with, you know, taking some B-roll footage of this so I can show it to you a little bit more in detail. Y'all, man, you can see it, man. Like, I'm beaming right now. I'm super happy, y'all. So I'll definitely catch you on the next one, y'all.